So as you can see, I'm in the kitchen area and I've fitted a lot of cabinets and drawers all the way around, and fitted it all in to match up with the ceiling. And as you can see, I'm 6 foot and I've got a good 1.5 foot above my head. Let's go through what I've fitted in the actual kitchen. So I've got quite an empty fridge freezer at the moment. That's not even in properly. And they're full size fridge and freezer. Storage either side. And on the wall I've got my battery monitoring. I've also got my Google thermostat connected on the wall. And as I can see, it's preset to 21. But that's lovely and nice and very modern. It's currently 15 degrees in here. Lots more storage all the way around. Drawers for my utensils, and I keep food in some of them as well. Gas oven, that's all fitted nicely, and gas hob. That's the only gas appliances in the boat I've got. It's just the cooker and the oven. In this cupboard I've got a microwave. That's quite handy. And one of my friends recently gave me a lovely little present. So in there I've got my air fryer. I've also got a washing machine hidden away in the cupboard. So yeah, that's pretty much the kitchen. Solid wood worktops fitted all the way around. What I've got to do is I've got to finish off behind the backsplash, and also the lighting I've got to extend all the way under, and also I've got to do the tiling or whatever I decide to put under there as well. And currently I've got that as a backsplash, but that is going to be tiled. Another thing I haven't done in this room, or any of the rooms actually, I haven't done any of the internal surrounds. So then we go into the lounge, nice and spacious. Central heating, that's all connected through the Webasto and the smart thermostat. The sofas we are going to change because they don't go at all. I've got to finish off a bit of paint work, and I've also got to do a few more trims. So there's a trim missing just there and a bit down there, and all the skirting all the way around has got to be done yet still. The fireplace, I put that in because I was a bit cold when I first moved in here, because none of it was really up and running. But that's only on a temporary platform, so that's actually got to be all built properly yet. So I will be taking the fireplace back out, and I'm more than likely going to be casting a like a concrete slab that I might polish up or something like that for the log burner to permanently sit on. Also, what I'm going to be doing is facing the boxing in somehow. I'm not really quite sure yet what I'm going to do with that, but that's something else I've got to do. But apart from that, I think I'm pretty happy with that so far. So then we go through into, this is the smallest bedroom, and that's a little baby's bedroom. And this is pretty much all done in here. Normal size single bed, central heating, cooks in it. It's lovely and warm because it's such a small room and it's got carpet on the floor. It keeps it really nice and warm in here. So yeah, that's pretty much this room. I'll just show you the lighting in here as well, because that's quite cool. So we've got the normal spotlights, which is nice and bright, and we've also got under the gunnels lighting, and then that's both of them on. So it's quite a nice bright little room, and solid oak doors. So that's that room. Hallway, I've still got to decide what I'm going to put on this wall. I might wallpaper it, or I might tile it. So I was thinking about carrying these tiles on all the way down. This is, I really like this wall actually. This is in the living room, and yeah, it's a really cool wall. It's proper marble little tiles, really like them. But anyway, yeah, I've got to put the skirting boards on down the hallway. I'll just show you the downlight is all the way down there as well. Again, still got to finish off around the portholes and windows. Then we go into the bathroom. It's a good sized bathroom, but this is only a temporary bathroom because I've got to tile it all and I haven't done it yet. So I've got a full size shower in there. That's a bit messy there, but ignore that. I've got a towel rail fitted and the radiator, normal sink, and the toilet is a Simplu toilet system, so it's composting toilet. I really recommend them. Save you a lot of hassle, actually. More to the so that's the Simplu. Saves you a lot of hassle. Back into, just show you the lighting. So we've got under gunnels, ceiling lights, and then eventually there will be a bathroom mirror light as well. So that's the bathroom. And then go through into the master bedroom. Got a bit of work to do in here still, so as you can see, I've got to finish those doors at some point. Window frames have all got to be lined still. So in this room we've got plenty of heating. There's 2 radiators, and that cooks this room lovely. In for storage, we've got a great big wardrobe there with sliding doors. There's loads of storage behind there. We've got this little unit in here for the time being until I've got the time to build in a unit that's going to go all the way down there. And then let's just show you the lighting. So we've got downlighters, which is all good, and we've got detailing lighting as well. I haven't put the gunnel lighting in yet, but I am going to be. The wiring's all there, but I just haven't done it yet. So back into the lounge. This is looking back into the lounge from the bedroom area. We've got those downlighters and the detailing lights. Got under the gunnels. So under the steps at the minute, I will be replacing these as well to a degree, because all the treads are going to be changed into like a mat. So mats can be interchangeable, because currently I've just got a bit of material on there just to stop the dirt from coming in too much into the boat. But I have got to put all the trims around the doors and things like that and finish off the steps. But underneath there we've got our inverter and fuse board. So yep, there's the kitchen and living room area. I do think once we've got the new sofas in here, which I should hopefully think about getting soon, it'll totally transform this area. The brown just does not go at all. And here's what it looks like from the kitchen area. So it's quite a big boat really, plenty of space. We have had 3 adults on here and a baby at one time, and there's plenty of room. So looking out onto the front, both of these doors completely open, and we've got quite a nice, even though it's a bit dirty at the moment, quite a nice decking area on the front. So again, if you like these videos, please like, share and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it.